I went round to Cindy's house.
Yeah.
We were watching. That's my girlfriend. We were watching the new Last of Us series.
Okay.
In the front room, and Cindy's grandma comes round with both her dogs, and she goes into the kitchen and speaks to her dad, and they have a chat, and then she, after 5-10 minutes, she leaves, and then maybe a minute later, there's a knock on the door. Says, "Hi, sorry, I think your grandma's dog's just been ran over." Go out on the street. She's gone across the street. Dog's been fucking nailed by a bike.
So dog dead?
Dog. Well, yeah, we went over, felt the pulse, and it was on the side of the road. That shit was dead.